Hello friends, as you know, establishment of 8th Pay Commission has been done and so are the rumors associated with this commission. One of the rumors is that defense pensioners will not be benefiting from this pay commission. It is also being rumored that this pay commission will be applicable to only future retirees, that is, the retirees who retire after the 8th pay commission and not the current beneficiaries. There are always some negative videos of YouTubers who want to instigate fear and thus benefit from the views thus gained. In this video, we will try to find out who are the beneficiaries. To know the truth, who else can be more accurate than the finance minister herself? If there is anything which makes the present defense beneficiaries devoid of the benefits, then finance minister knows it better. So let us now head towards the X handle, which is known as formerly Twitter, of the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman. So now we are at the X handle of Nirmala Sitharaman. In this she writes, Honorable Prime Minister Shri @Narendra Modi had in January 2025 approved the establishment of the 8th Central Pay Commission to revise the salaries and benefits of central government employees and pensioners. She further states, all central government pensioners who had retired before 1/1/2016 are receiving pension at par with employees who retired after 2016. Keeping in view the recommendations which were made by the 6th Central Pay Commission, a distinction among pensioners is inevitable, and that is what is being brought in as an amendment and by way of validation. So what is the validation? The validation rules do not in any way change or alter the existing pensions so fixed of existing civil pensioners from the present stage. The validation rules also do not affect defense pensioners. Please read this again. The validation rules do not affect defense pensioners in any way as they are covered by separate rules. It is not an amendment to any pension rules or instructions, but only a reaffirmation of the same with effect 1st June 1972, that is, the date of CCS pensions rules were promulgated. So why validation was needed? The 6th Central Pay Commission made a distinction between the retirees of pre-January 2006 and those post-January 2006 periods. The then government Congress-led UPA had accepted the recommendations of the 6th Central Pay Commission and decided that there will be a distinction between pensioners with reference to the cutoff date of January 2006. The 7th Central Pay Commission has brought in parity between pre-1/1/2016 and post-1/1/2016 pensioners. I again reiterate that this is only a validation of existing rules. This does not alter or change existing civil or defense pension. Srimati N N Sitaraman in Rajya Sabha. So now I think the rumors are wrong and defense people are retiring after the 8th pay commission, or even if they have retired before the 8th pay commission, will be benefiting from the 8th pay commission rulings. With this I end this video. If you would like to encourage this channel, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Meet you with the next video. Till then, goodbye.